Good morning mga ka-Big Bird. Big Bird goes to Indonesia with the Pest Exterminator Association of the Philippines. We are now in Solia Lijan Valley, Indonesia. So dito kami naka-check-in today. So may ambulansya at magtutour kami. That is the only activity for today. So dito kami ngayon sa hotel, dito kami natulog. We will be here until Monday 12 noon. Shout out, happy birthday to my kumare, my ate, Ate Winnie. So the husband, the wife of Kuya Alo. Social, sa Indonesia sila nag-celebrate.
Wala. Medyo kaps ng konti yung budget. Kaya puro tubig lang ang kinakain.
So, ikot lang ako ng konti. Sila yung mga kasama namin dito sa Indonesia. The boys of Pea, Miss Magdol, and Sir Jess. Oh, kaway-kaway.
Hello.
Ayun, no?
Good morning.
Ito ang
Good morning.
Presidente de los Baños.
Ay, yun mo muna. Ay.
Ayun, no?
Good morning.
Hi!
Sila ang mga kasama kong tumayo sa Indonesia. Ayun sa Sir King. Ayun, no?
Kuya, walang mo yung
Nasaan yung mga kasama? Ito pa, ang mga kasama kong lasinggero, kaway-kaway.
Konti lang yung no, mas marami yung ads.
Ako natulog, halos bold.
Ay, mainit. Pero nakadasiyate ako ngayon.
So, this is from Briones Pest Control, kaway-kaway. Ayun, no? Ito, ang kaisa-isang asawa ni Director Alfred.
Yeah, nag-iisa po.
Nag-iisa lang. Ang may bahay. Kasi yung iba nasa apartment. Ito ang aking mga kasama, ang aking asawa, ang aking si Miss Little Big Bird. Yung isa, wala pa. So, this is the parang reception, the front desk of Solia Lijan Valley Hotel. Ganda siya. Pero hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta. Panganay na Miss Little Big Bird na late bumaba sa hotel. We're going na. Oh, picture. Oh, picture taking. 1, 2, 3. Hey, wala muna. Wait lang. Kaway-kaway.
One more. Welcome.
Ayun, no? Di ako kasali. So, we're now going to... Where is our first destination, kuya?
To Batik.
Batik.
Yeah.
So, what's your name?
My name Samudra.
Sandra.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you. So, kami ay magta-travel. How many minutes?
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Yeah.
4 hours. 30 minutes and 4 hours. It's just a short ride.
So, dito sa Indonesia, ang mga sasakyan ay right-hand drive. Hindi na ako nakapagdala ng microphone, pero ready naman yan. Are now here in Bali, Bidadari, Batik. Batik. So, tingnan natin kung ano. Iba yung at
Nak, may CR ka sa no? Akin na yung bag mo.
so, ano talaga to, no? Para di artificial, no? Original na batik.
Ah, yan.
Yes.
Okay, yung sinasabi ko yung sinabing batik. Batik na, kasi mo yung batik. Yan pala yun.
Not machine, but yung batik. Ang mga tao di habi. Ayan po. Naman parang manual na winibib yung pera. Mga ka-Big Bird, ito yung service namin. So, nag-rent kami for the whole day. Good for 6 packs. That cost 800,000 Indonesian rupiah. So, dito sa Indonesia, madali pa lang maging milyonaryo. So, pwede daw pumunta sa loob. Then, titingin ka ng shirt o any tela. Tapos pwede daw pa ano sa labas, pa ano? Pa print, print manual. So, dami.
This one is for
Or,
What is that?
and for the
polo. Ano ba tawag dito? Basta ito yung mga tela ng batik.
hindi na lang makakabili ka bili.
Kapag nakita ka ng video ka rin yan. Ito si Alvin. Nasa mo siya? Naririnin mo yun. Hindi ko kayo na ang gabi.
Testing 101. Kumukuha sila ng parang yung ink nila parang wax siguro. Paalis na kami sa Batik Factory. So, where are we going next?
It
We're going to eat. So, hope we find delicious foods. So, hindi ko alam kung saan
popular in Bali. Very nice to flavor.
Okay. So, we're going to eat. Pero, bago kumain, ano bang ginagawa nila? Ano ba to?
Silver.
Silver. Mali pala. Sabi kakain eh. So, hindi pala kakain. This is a, ito?
Silver.
Silver product.
That example for the silver plat. If you make going for the silver plat, you make original Bengal something like that.
Sampol. Ang tanong, mura ba?
How much?
But the price inside, yeah?
Inside. Okay, okay.
What of collection inside?
Around one.
So,
Okay.
let's go inside.
Actually, yung mga na-fella to. Fella ko. Can I touch?
This one okay? One no.
Mamaya, alamin natin.
Still wet this one.
Sabi kasi ni Kuya Driver kakain eh. Hindi ko na ako kakain ng silver. Okay. Ikot lang muna kami ni Bunso. Tingnan namin yung mga silver. Is a camera allowed? No problem. Thank you. Bibigay ko kayo. So marami siya. May mga kwintas, may mga earrings. Ayun o. Dami. Yan, doggy. Ano ba yan, dog? Turtle? Turtle yun. Ano yun? Butterfly. Mga Big Bird. Kanina buhay pa to eh. Ha? Buhay pala? Akala ko ano yun. Nagpapahinga. Ang hawak ng bahay nito nakarating pa sa Indonesia.
Natutulog lang. Dumayo ng tulog. Anto ka. Under 37.
Hindi naman ako marunong sumayaw eh.
37 o 47?
Mga cluster, kabahan na kayo.
Diba? Atas.
Hey mga ka-Big Bird, kakain na kami ng lunch dito sa Iga Warung Special Barbecue Ribs House and Indonesian food, no? Ito ay sa ano yun, J1 Raya Mas Ubud, Bali, Indonesia. So masarap daw ang barbecue ribs. Tingnan natin mamaya. What's the menu? Hello. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy
Special ang birthday mo, ha?
Ate, birthday mo.
O ngayon, kakain kami.
So, sasakay kami sa swing.
Swing.
Sasakay ka.
Photo swing.
Abangan nyo ako mamaya. So, dito naman kami sa ano, Aviance de Saray. Entrance fee, 62 years old, 30,000. Adult, 50,000.
Extra mo.
Ayan. Ayan si Derek Dominic.
The most handsome BOD.
Yun! Ayos! Sabi tayo, pasok. Masok, team, entrance. Ano kayo makikita dito? Rice terraces. Ayun oh. Magtanim ID biro. Ah. Saan? Ano yun? Ayan. Naantok ako eh. You want to ride the Aladdin carpet that is 200,000 for 2 people? Parang 200,000 o 250,000. So, parang ganyan. So, from dito, pupunta ka doon, then babalik ka ulit. So, sasakay sila sa
How many groups?
Madrid carpet.
Yeah, because it's okay. To be here right first. Right first.
Right?
Yeah, and now like this.
Careful your health creep, yeah?
Yeah. And now put inside the dress.
Wait.
Yes, yes.
How many people?
We are around 40 plus.
40.
Oo.
No takot, yeah?
Ay, natakot.
No takot.
Yeah? Don't lose it. Yeah. Are you ready?
Okay.
3.
Bye-bye. Ingat kayo. Ingat. Bye-bye. Hintayin ko na lang sila bumalik dito. Yan, pabalik na sila. You know. Sumakay sila sa magic carpet ni Aladdin.
A whole new world.
Ay, kami naman ang lalakad. Look at the view. Yun yung problem.
Mom, can I help you? It's okay. Thank you. Be careful too, huh? Okay. How about you, Mom? Thank you very much.
View, oh. Super ganda ng view. Ay, sila sa taas, oh.
Asan sila ate? Kala ko mag-swing.
Sumakay sila doon sa magic carpet. Ayun, tapos na. So, sasakay naman daw sila sa swing. And later, bibidyo natin yan. Yes. Yun o. Hello. Pog. Zipline, no? Nakakapagod pero bumili pa sila ng ticket, mag-swing daw sila bago coffee pumunta sa next stop, yung factory yata ng coffee. So meron ditong zipline, merong tawag dito, yung Aladdin Magic Carpet, meron ding swing, meron ding bike. Pagod lang talaga ako kaya sila na lang muna pinasakay ko. Cameraman muna ako. Okay naman, zipline. Ayaw? Ayaw na po. Sino? Hindi pa. Naku, mabayad pa silang ticket. Pagod na pagod si Director Gio. Ilang zipline to. Magic carpet.
Lahat dinaanan ko.
Lahat na dinaanan niya.
Walang sinakyan.
Okay. Lilipad ang Reyna. Sorry.
Wow. Wow.
Keep lean back, okay? Keep lower. Sini bang? Coba. Sana waktu break.
Woo! Woo!
Lower your head.
Lower your hand. Lower your hand.
Get the camera. Lower your hand, lower. Lower your hand, lower.
Lower your hand.
Hold the dress, Birdman.
At binaligtad ang pritong dalagang buki. Yo!
Look at the camera! Look at the camera!
Walang kamay.
Walang kamay, walang kamay.
Walang kamay, ate.
Tayo, huwag na. Pag kaya mo bitaw, pero pag hindi.
Walang kamay. Walang kamay, walang kamay.
Next. Backward. Mas okay yan talaga ito. Kasi nakatalikod ko.
Don't throw it so far.
Okay. Balik up, balik down. Ate.
Okay.
Walang
Ano?
kamay.
Walang kamay.
Yes. Relax, relax.
Okay.
Wash your feet.
Yes, one leg up, one leg down.
Team, tatlo kamay.
Ha?
Hindi, joke. Next is
Hawak
Bunso.
mabuti, ha? Sandal ka.
Slowly, yeah?
Oh, yeah, slowly. Not so far. Kaya pa, Bunso? Oh, no.
Kaya.
Walang kamay, walang kamay.
Oh, go.
Yay!
Walang kamay.
Yo! Yeah!
More? No, no, no. No?
More!
No, enough. Enough. It's enough.
Look at the camera. Good. Ready?
Don't so far.
Don't so fast. Okay. More. Walang kamay, walang kamay. Okay, last push. Walang kamay. Walang kamay.
Yay! Yun!
Pero habang naedad, parang feeling.
Tapos na kami sa Rice Terraces. Next stop ay Coffee Factory.
Ate, sumakay ang farong.
Sabi ni driver, medyo long ride. Nakabili na raw sila ng coffee bean, itinain ng daga, Norway rat.
Yan. Hindi, cut. Hindi siya rodent.
Akala ko kasi pest control eh.
Pet control. Hindi, sa cut control tayo.
Cut control. Sige. Hanap naman ako ng pampatigas ng dila. Diyan naman ako.
See you.
So we're going to Coffee Factory. So yung tawag doon, yung mga kinain ng mga wildcats, ng mga musang, ng mga civet. So balita ko maraming free taste. So tikman muna natin bago tayo bumili. Maganda ang kalsada dito sa Indonesia, bihira yung lubak-lubak. Kaya lang, kumpara sa kalsada sa Pilipinas, mas malapad yung kalsada sa Philippines. Dito medyo masikip. Pero in most na pinaka-convenient na mode of transportation ng mga taga rito ay mga scooters. So marami silang nakamotor, kaya ingat-ingat sa pagmamaneho dahil bigla na lang yung mga sisingit yan yung mga scooter. So may nakalagay dito, please do not touch aggressive animals, keep your finger. These animals only for display. We keep releasing them every week and get the new one. We do not treat them bad. So meron dito wildcat, kumbaga sa Pilipinas ay musang nandun sa loob. So siguro injured or newly captured, pero i-release nila sa wild. So ito yung mga coffee, what's it called? Tree ba to? O plant? So, yun ang produce ng coffee bean na gagawin natin yung masarap na kape. Luwak coffee. Yan yung mga civet cats. Kakainin nila yung coffee cherry.
And then,
And then, pupupu.
kasi natatanggal daw yung beans ano sa
Balat. So pag pinupo, beans na lang. Kasama yung pupo. Tapos kukolektahin yon, tama? Lilinisin.
sinasabi nila na yung natural enzymes daw ng civet cat ay nagpapa-less acid. So less bitter yung kape.
Okay.
Lower
Mas
in
mabas-
total protein.
Mas masarap siguro yan pag hindi hinugasan.
Nire-remove din yung caffeine.
Okay. Arabica versus Robusta coffee. The 5 key differences to know. Pag Arabica daw, ang taste ay smooth. Tapos, slightly sweet or fruity and easy to drink. Pag Robusta daw is mas mapait and harsh with a grainy taste. So, may mga tatak-latak. Tama ba? Tama. Mas mataas daw ang sugar content ng Arabica beans compared sa Robusta. Twice as much sugar content ang nasa Arabica compared to Robusta. It also has 60% more lipids. Ano yung lipids? Tanong natin kay Google mamaya. Ano yung... so spices. Okay. Wait, so spices to.
This the lemongrass, ginger, and turmeric.
Okay.
This the black pepper, white pepper, clove, cinnamon, and the skin the mangosteen.
Okay, cinnamon and the skin of mangosteen.
And this the cacao bean, and this the regular barley coffee. This
Okay.
the poo from the animal.
This from the civet cat.
Yeah.
Okay.
This before clean, and this after clean.
So,
Cleaning.
so this is before cleaning.
Yeah, this after cleaning.
So immediately after it came out from the civet cat, you will
Yes.
collect it and then you will clean it immediately.
Yes. This ready we wash by hot water until the very clean, and then we dry with the sun.
Okay.
And this is a bean before we do roasting.
How long is the drying process? How many days?
Maybe the 7 days.
7 days? Okay.
Depend of the sun.
What? Oh, yeah.
This bean inside don't contact from the poo.
Okay.
Bean inside we wash again and then we dry.
Okay.
Later if you want to try the luwak coffee, don't worry, don't thinking about the poo, yeah, because very clean.
Then
5
roasting.
minutes.
How many minutes?
45
4 to
minutes
5 minutes.
until the change become like this.
Okay.
You can smell it.
Mm.
After roasting, we do grinding.
After roasting, so manual grinding. Okay. Okay. So binabayo ang mga kape.
And the last, we have to filter.
Okay.
And then the rest, we put back, we do grind it
Jacket
again.
then.
This powder ready to use. When
Ready
you
to use.
prepare, you just put powder in the cup and hot water, like an instant coffee, yeah?
Okay.
For the cacao and luwak coffee, same process.
Okay.
You ready try the coffee and tea later?
Yeah, we're going there and try it and then we can buy
Yeah.
your
up
product there inside.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. What's your name?
My name is Eri.
Miss Eri, thank you.
You're welcome.
Tagalog.
Tejan.
Ting.
There's a koi pan. Pan pala yun. Pan ba river? Pan lang, pan. Laki. Kaso hindi ko makita. Mamaya na. Bali cappuccino. So in Tagalog, tayo ng pusa, gagawing cappuccino. Okay? So, waiting kami sa aming free coffee. Luwak coffee. To. Hindi ko maintindihan. Basta 55,000 rupiah per cup.
So this is, we have a coffee, tea, and hot
Ate
chocolate.
Ems, tara mo na pa, may
So
dindihan mo
all of
iinumin mo.
this, you get free for the complimentary. And this is,
Saan?
we have a special coffee. This is the luwak coffee. So maybe if you want to try, you have to pay. For 1 cup, the 55,000.
Okay.
This the we have to set, yeah. Later you can share, and I will put according. On the picture is it for the remember.
Okay.
This is
Change
we have
na ako.
avocado coffee.
What? This
This
is
is the rosella tea, good for the blood circulation. This is the ginger tea, good for sore throat and stomach problem. And the red rice tea, good for the bone and high calcium. Lemongrass tea, good for the skin and the slim body.
fine.
Bali coffee without sugar.
Without sugar.
Yeah, this the mangosteen tea, good for the cholesterol.
Cholesterol.
And the saffron with turmeric, good for the immune system. And this the hot chocolate, good for the everything.
Good for
This
everything.
is the vanilla coffee, mochaccino coffee, Bali coffee with chocolate.
With chocolate.
Yeah, this is the coconut coffee. And the last one, ginseng coffee. This good for the energy.
Yeah, I need that.
And this the benefit for the remember you, yeah? And one set, I put the another.
How about the ants?
That
Good
is-
for?
This is a different set.
Ants good for?
This one?
The ant.
The ant.
The insect. The insect is good for.
Not hit ants.
No. It's just. There, the ant.
If there's no ants, there is no business.
Yes.
Oh no!
Okay?
To the ant. Okay,
No.
go ahead.
Second.
There was that.
Second
So that is the same set. The same. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. We're gonna try drinking this coffee. This is a chocolate. Bunso.
Coconut sugar.
This is the lemongrass tea. I taste.
Dua coffee.
So, wala na akong natandaan.
Ice
Basta titigim na lang ako.
tea.
Okay?
It's a turmeric. Good for the gout.
Good for calcium.
So good for the gout.
May quiz tayo mga kuya.
Free taste.
Peanut, free
Free
taste.
taste.
Peanut.
Ginseng coffee.
The
I need to...
No
tawag
peanut?
dito?
No peanut.
To recharge. Okay?
So for the luwak,
Cheers.
you want to try.
Luwak.
Free taste.
1 cup, 55,000.
Yes.
You
Ay,
want?
gusto mo?
Kuya,
So, luwa.
Yeah. I want
How
to
many
try.
cup you want?
You want to
Dua,
try
dua.
the coffee?
1 cup,
No?
Don't think
55,000.
about the food. It's clean.
Me.
Two. Who wants to buy coffee? Please raise your hand.
Coffee daw, luwa.
One,
Luwa.
Luwa coffee.
55 yan.
Only two. Only two.
Nanilibre nga
But can we buy
Yeah.
powder coffee there?
You can buy, we have a shop.
Okay.
This for the drink here, 2
Two,
cup,
two
yeah?
luwa coffee.
Ayun ang mangusti.
For the luwak coffee, we have 2
Rosella
type,
to.
Arabica, Robusta. And the different,
Rosella.
Robusta strong, Arabica light.
But which one is has the lesser sugar?
Less sugar, the 2 without sugar.
Without sugar.
But the Robusta strong, the taste, and Arabica little bit light.
I am strong, but I like the robusta. Robusta is the lesser one.
Robusta.
Arabica light.
Arabica.
1 Arabica, 1 Robusta.
One robusta.
Robusta.
Because
What robust?
you know robust,
Taste juice.
he drinks the Philippines. That's why he likes robusta.
Mangustin.
One robusta and one arabica. Thank you. So another pre-taste coffee.
Left mangustin.
Kuya Estong Tutong. Para sa iyo, avocado coffee for the avocado man.
Alam mo kung tatawag.
Cheers.
Kasama na yung asukal.
Matalap
Pero
na
meron
ata.
silang mangustin na no sugar.
Dinteng, matalap.
Pwedeng gawin juice.
Lasang avocado. Tikman mo, masarap. Masarap. So, let's try luwak coffee.
Pag nagkasakit ka pa niyan, inubos mo
This is
na lang.
Arabica Luwak Coffee, 55,000 rupiah. And this is Robusta Luwak Coffee for the man who needs robust.
Pampatikat!
Tiga,
Pampatikat ito!
55,000 rupiah. Testing. Testing mo na yun.
Tikim!
Mainit.
Lumakas ka.
Ayan! Tikat-tikat na ako! Tikat-tikat na pati mukha! Tikat! Tikat! Inom pa! Tikat!
Kaya pala naman kasi di dahil sa kape na paso.
Ah, tikat! Tikat tila! Init! Tikat tila! Init! Tikat!
Nahuli mo.
Okay!
Sulit yung 55,000.
Tulit-tulit! 55,000! Kopi! Papatikat! Oh! Tikat mo! Tikat mo! Lalakad pa ako!
Panggulat pa.
Kakalakad na ako!
Dila mo, tigat, dila.
Tikat din tila! Tikat! Tikat pati palit ako!
Masyado tumigas pa din.
Okay, kami ako na inumin to. Baka tigat, dila.
Tikat ikaw! Tawat!
So this is the famous Luwak coffee. Two variants, the Robusta flavor and the Arabica. So Robusta is bitter than Arabica. So for 200 grams, it costs 560,000. While the ilang grams to? The bigger one ay 1,450,000. So different, ano to, ginger tea.
Ay, bunso.
What's this Bali coffee? Tea, Rosella tea, saffron tea, rice tea, and many others. So, try ko lang yung famous Luwak coffee. Pero na-try ko na kanina, masarap siya. So, titikman, pagbabaon sa Philippines. Meron din silang mga souvenir items, tops, and shirt. The shirt, 150,000 per piece. So, Poo Hunter. So, marami dito yung mga maliliit na package. So, this is a live civet cat. So, babantay siya. Binabantay niya yung mga tinain niyang kape. So, kaya ang tawag ata sa civet cat sa atin, di ba, musang. So, dito ata ay luwak. Hindi ako sure ha, pero parang ganon. Luwak. Kaya luwak coffee, yung pinaka-famous nilang coffee. Pero honestly, masarap. So, bye Mr. Luwak. Tapos na kami sa civet coffee. Luwak coffee.
Luwak!
We will try na makapunta doon sa
Machine Bali.
temple ata yun na meron mga parang ibe-bless ba doon, ilulublob, I don't know. Pero pag hindi na kayo ng oras, we'll go back to the hotel na kasi until 7 p.m.
Right now, go to temple because close to 6 p.m.
6 p.m. So, tomorrow na lang kami babalik. Okay? Pero let's see. So, welcome to Holy Spring. So, papasok sila dyan. Kasi baka hindi na ako pumasok kasi naka-short ako. Pero, sila na lang kasi nagpapalit pa sila ng damit. And, tawag dito, may mga lublob something pa eh. So, magbabayad sila ng 50,000 rupiah per head. So, DTW Tirtha Empol.
So, ayun lang yung tour natin for the temple. Kasi 6 p.m. na kami pumasok. Until 7 p.m. lang.
So, before going back to the hotel, bago kami bumalik sa hotel, take out muna kami sa McDonald's para pagdating ng hotel, kakain na lang kami. Sa hotel na kami, hopefully, ay okay na ang aircon ng aming room. Okay, papasok na kami sa room. Mga Big Bird, I will end this vlog here. This is actually day 2 namin to Meron kami activity on our first day. And bukas ulit. Bye-bye!